Hello my dear viewers, this is Bushcraft Bear speaking to you live from the Canary Islands La Palma. This is day number 5 of the volcanic eruption over here. For me it's very important today to go to the city, to the supermercado, to buy some food and to stock up my pantry. I will take you with me. We can have a look down in the city, what's going on over there, what the people are doing. I have got some interesting volcano news for you. Later on I will tell you when I arrived in the city. My friends, I'm here now in the city of Los Llanos. Here is the Plaza Mercado. There I can find fresh vegetables and fruits. Everywhere here on the floor I can see the ash from the volcano. Look at those very ripe mangoes. Very nice, very beautiful. Muy bien, muchas gracias. As often as I can, I try to buy local here from the farmers to support them, to support the people with their supermarket here. And the taste of the vegetables and the fruits are very, very good here. And I like this island very much. I love it from the bottom of my heart. I like the people over here, the nature over here. The people are so friendly here. It's unbelievable. Look at that. Everywhere is the ash from the volcano. This is the center of the city, a huge plaza. Here you can see an old church. Look at those old trees over here. Wow. Alright, now I have some time left. I do everything by foot, with my bicycle or with the bus. Over there you can see the volcano and I will walk a little bit closer. From here you can see where the hill is, where I'm filming from. It's about over here. And if I turn around, you can see the volcano over here. Alright, I go back. I have a lot of respect from this fire-spitting mountain. My dear viewers, I just finished shopping. Now I go home, will edit this video, check the news, and then this evening I will go up this hill over here to look what the volcano is doing, and then I will tell you the latest news from the media, what they are saying about the volcano, what is happening at the moment here on this island. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to get the latest news here from the Canary Islands La Palma. Thank you for watching, thank you for your kind comments, and yeah, see you in the next video.